Hello, my name is Michael Herf with Arizona Roofers. We are the chosen contractor for Lamise Rasheed. I believe I pronounced that right. I'm here conducting a repair test on this damaged shingle, obvious wind damage. I will be removing this shingle and replacing it with this architectural right here. For me to remove it, I'll have to remove the nails from this shingle and this shingle above it. I'll remove it and replace it with that one. All right, let's get started. Out. All right. So as I was repairing that shingle, fastening the nails into all the shingles. Close up. There was creasing right here. These shingles are really hard and brittle, so this whole thing cracked at the seam right here. It's hard to see, but right there where the nails are, it completely broke trying to get these nails in. So that whole shingle just cracked right there. As you can see, it's supposed to bend and be flexible, not stiff and hard. So that whole shingle cracked right there. Also getting those nails fastened in, we acquired some cracking right here and right here, and then also a little bit of damage right here. So I mean, if you try to repair like that over there, you will damage the shingles around it, which will make you have to repair those ones as well. So with this, I would say this is a failed repair test, because there's no way you can install new shingles without damaging the ones around it. So this is a failed test. All right, thank you for your time.